everyone! Welcome back to my channel. This is JTV Life Vlogs. So, this is the continuation of our trip to Provence. Hope you enjoy watching. Let's go! Hello! This is the entrance going inside the Provence village, because from last time, from the beginning we ride at the small train going inside. So for the second part, we are walking inside the village. We'll show you the beauty of this village by walk. And I can sing to me. Nangunguna yung isa.
Pero doon, ano lang naman, size doon.
Mas mura dito sa Office de Tourism. Ayan, bulaklak na. Tubo na.
Nasaan dyan? Yung bubong niya is ano?
Flavor Rosas. Candy. Le Chevalier. Nasa loob pa rin kami ng souvenir shop. Siyempre, pag nag-tutor, hindi talaga mawawala yung souvenir scouting, di ba? Siyempre, para meron tayong remembrance sa mga places na ating pinapasyalan. We always visit the souvenir shop. So, marami namang souvenir shop. So, depende sa'yo kung anong souvenir ang gusto mong piliin.
Second round of train riding before we going home.
Enjoy ride. Trophy.
À gauche, voici le caveau du Saint-Esprit. Magnifique salle voûtée, à demi enterrée et seul vestige d'un hospice fondé en 1160 par le comte Henri le Libéral. Détruite par un incendie au XVIIe siècle, l'hospice offrait un maximum de 3 jours d'hébergement aux enfants, vieillards, indigents et pèlerins.
On our left is the caveau du Saint-Esprit, or Holy Ghost cellar. This beautiful underground vault is all that remains of a hospice founded in 1160 by Count Henry the Liberal. The hospice burned down in the 17th century, but it used to offer 3 days free lodging for vagrants, children,
so this time, sumakay ulit kami ng small train, but yung view naman is on the other side. Kasi kung kanina is nasa right side, So this time it's on the left side.
À droite, vous apercevrez dans la rue la façade de la Grange propriété des chanoines de Saint-Kyrias. Ce bâtiment du XIIe siècle était loué aux marchands de Toulouse pendant la foire. Aujourd'hui, le visiteur y trouve une évocation de ces mêmes foires.
In a few moments, we will pass on our right the tithe barn. This 12th century building belonged to the canons of St. Kyrias Collegiate Church and was rented to merchants from Toulouse during each fair. Nowadays, the tithe barn houses an exhibition illustrating life in Provins during the fairs.
Voici la place du Châtel. À gauche, sur la place, se dresse la croix d'échange. On y criait et affichait les édits de la ville et les changeurs de monnaie travaillaient juste à côté. À quelques mètres de la croix, le puits féodal servait de réservoir d'eau. Plusieurs maisons avaient des passages souterrains leur permettant de puiser l'eau directement.
Here we are in Castle Square. The town laws were read out and displayed at the exchange cross on your left, and at fair time the money changers worked nearby. Close to the cross is the old well that supplied water for this part of the town. Some houses had private underground passageways and could draw their water from the well directly. Framed house. This building used to be the Little Shield Tavern, but nowadays it is called the Maison des Quatre Pignons, or Four Gables House.
What did you say? Dito. Oh, talaga sabi. Kiris. Ça dépend sur ce qu'on dit. Je vais vous dire. Ça vous fait 15 €. Alors je vais regarder le prix de verre. J'ai juste un billet de 50 francs. Après, je prends la carte. Hein, si
So beautiful roses. Belle fleur. Belle fleur.
Diyan yung horse. Saan? May bayad, 20. Di ba maganda rin doon? Pinatag na natin. Pagod na yan. Huwag kang bumaba tayo! Huwag kang bumaba! Bakit lang bumaba? Sige, dito na ako. Bakit bumaba?
So this is the wall during the war. It's very hot.
Anong war noon? Star Wars. World War ano?
During Second World War II.
Ito ba yan?
That's the down. Wala.
Closer to the bangin.
You don't want the bangin? Yeah, Tyree.
Yes. Yeah, people here, they love walking. They don't drive. Most of them, they're walking. They love walking.
So hot.
Ano tayo? Remember them?
Wala ka namang bata, di ba, Bliss?
Anong oras ba ang ano?
We are leaving soon here, guys. Yeah, tapos na yung pag-ikot namin dito sa Provence. Pababa na kami, going to the bus station. And we're going to the center, Provence Center. Then, we're going back to Paris. Hope you like our promenade here at Provence.
Turn towards our terminus along St. John's Street. In medieval times, this street was lined with buildings rented out to merchants for the fairs. During the summer season, jousting tournaments and war machine shows are staged in the arena on our left, just after St. John's Gate.
De vous accueillir. Merci à tous et à bientôt.